Hello, so we want to find the value of x from this indicial equation. So simply solution. So here we have what? 0.25 is the same thing as what? 25 over 1 over 100. If you change it to fraction, you still have your power. 2 minus x equal to 256 is the same thing as what? 2 raised to power 8. You still have your 2 power x plus 3. If this cancel out, you have 1 here, you have 4 here. Hence, you have what? 1 over 4 power 2 minus x equal to 2 power 8 over 2 power x plus 3. Right? So 1 over 4 is the same thing as 4 power minus 1, 2 minus x. You still retain your power equal to 2 power 8 minus x plus 3. Right? From the basic law of indices, they are having the same base. Right? So from here, you have that 2 raised to power, this 4 power minus 1 is the same thing as 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 minus x equal to 2 power x minus x, 8 minus x minus 3. Right? Hence, from this, since they are having the same power, since they are having the same number here, the same base, 2 and 2, 2 can actually cancel 2, and you equate the power. If you equate the power, you have what? Minus 2 into 2 minus x equal to 8 minus x minus 3. So if you break this down to find the value of x, you use this minus 2 to distribute into this. You have minus 4 plus 2x equal to 5 minus x. You collect like terms. Collect like terms. So from here, we have 2x. This minus x will come to this side and the sign will change to addition. Plus x equal to, you have 5. This minus 4 will come to this side. The sign will also change to addition. You have plus 4. Here we have 3x equal to 9. To make x the subject, you divide both sides with coefficient of x. Divide both sides with 3. 3 will cancel 3. Hence, x is equal to what? 9 over 3 will give you 3. As simple as that.